Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create a Proforma invoice in Zoho Books. So first is head over to Zoho Books and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just click on Sales, then click on Quotes. So from here, you start by creating new quote, or you can also import if you already have existing quotes. Proforma invoice is a preliminary bill. Proforma invoice is a preliminary bill or estimated invoice sent to a buyer before goods or services are delivered. So make sure that the details you enter here is all correct and accurate, for this will show the buyer what to expect, price, quantity, and terms before the actual sale. So start by selecting or adding a customer, then also the code number, reference number, quote date, and expiry date. Next, you can also select or add a salesperson here and add in a project name. You can also add subject to help or let your customer know what this quote for. And in the item table, just fill in with the item details, quantity, rate, discount, and tax if applicable, and if there are any shipping charges and adjustments. You can also add in terms and conditions and attach files to the quote. And once done, just head over and click on Save and Send. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!